Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the two-tier wooden plant stand, a versatile and stylish addition to any home that combines functionality with a touch of mid-century charm. This adjustable heavy-duty plant holder features a sleek black finish with rust and corrosion-resistant hardware, perfectly complemented by rustic wooden shelves that enhance your home decor. Its innovative triangular non-slip structure ensures stability and durability, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Designed with DIY enthusiasts in mind, this plant stand can be easily transformed into two separate benches or assembled into a two-tier stand, offering you flexibility based on your needs. Assembly is a breeze with the included instructions. Simply follow the steps to tighten the built-in screws, and you'll have your plant stand ready in no time. Whether you're looking to maximize space in your living room, kitchen, garden, or dining room, this multi-purpose plant stand is the perfect solution. And remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated after-sales service team is available 24/7 to help you out. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.